हेलो फार्मासिस्ट, वेलकम एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल फार्माक्राक उड़ीसा। तो चलो आज का सेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं। फार्मास्यूटिक्स पार्ट 1, चैप्टर 1, इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ फार्मास्यूटिक्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फार्मास्यूटिक्स इज द साइंस ऑफ। ऑप्शन ए डायग्नोसिस ऑफ डिजीज, ऑप्शन बी फॉर्मुलेशन एंड प्रिपरेशन एंड डोसेज फॉर्म, ऑप्शन सी ऑफ स्टडी ऑफ मेडिकल प्लांट्स ओनली, ऑप्शन डी स्टडी ऑफ ह्यूमन एनाटॉमी। आंसर क्या है इसका? ऑप्शन बी फॉर्मुलेशन एंड प्रिपरेशन ऑफ डोसेज फॉर्म्स। एक्सप्लेनेशन क्या है? फार्मास्यूटिक्स डील्स विथ द फॉर्मुलेशन, preparation, manufacturing and dispensing of medicines in suitable dosage forms such as tablet, capsule, syrup, injection, etc. The word pharmacy is derived from the Greek word. आंसर क्या है? Pharmakon. Word pharmacy is derived from the Greek word pharmakon, which is associated with a drug or medicinal substance. Question number 3. Pharmakon means option A disease, option B drug or medicine, option C treatment, option D poison. आंसर क्या है? ड्रग और मेडिसिन। एक्सप्लेनेशन। In pharmacy context, pharmakon means a drug or medicinal substance. Question number 4. Which branch deals with the formulation, preparation and dispensing of medicines? Pharmacology ये नहीं है, फार्माकोग्नोसी ये भी नहीं है, टॉक्सिकोलॉजी ये भी नहीं है। आंसर क्या है? फार्मास्यूटिक्स। फार्मास्यूटिक है आंसर। पेशेंट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. The person who prepare and dispenses medicine is called? फिजिशियन नहीं, फार्मासिस्ट ये है आंसर। ये है आंसर, फार्मासिस्ट। Question number 6. The official book containing standards for drugs is called? Formulary, pharmacopoeia, dictionary, dispensatory. आंसर क्या है? फार्माकोपिया। फार्माकोपिया क्या है? Pharmacopoeia is an official publication containing standards for the identity, purity, strength, and quality of drugs and pharmaceutical substances. IP stands for Indian Pharmacy, International Pharmacology, Indian Pharmacopoeia, Indian Pharmacist. आंसर क्या है? Indian Pharmacopoeia. Explanation of IP. Indian Pharmacopoeia, which contains official standard for drugs and pharmaceutical preparation in India. BP stands for British Pharmacology, British Pharmacopoeia, Basic Pharmacy, Biological Preparation. आंसर क्या है? British Pharmacopoeia. Explanation of BP. British Pharmacopoeia is an official collection of quality standard for medicine. USP stands for United States Pharmacopoeia, Universal Standard Pharmacy, United States Pharmacy, Uniform Standard Preparation, United States Pharmacopoeia. Answer. Explanation. USP, United States Pharmacopoeia or Pharmacopoeia, which provides standards for medicine and pharmaceutical ingredients. Question number 10. NF stands for National Formulary, New Formulation, Natural Formula, New Formulation, Natural Formula, नेशनल फार्मेसी। आंसर क्या है इसका? आंसर है नेशनल फॉर्मुलरी। Explanation. National Formulary is contain official standard for various pharmaceutical ingredients and preparations. Question number 11. Indian Pharmacopoeia is published by WHO, PCI, Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission, Ministry of Education. आंसर क्या है? Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission. आंसर। Explanation. The Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission (IPC) is responsible for publishing and maintaining the Indian Pharmacopoeia. Question number 12. The headquarters of Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission is located at New Delhi, Mumbai, Ghaziabad, Calcutta. Answer क्या है? Ghaziabad. Explanation. The headquarters of Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission located at Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 13. The main purpose of pharmacopoeia is to option A advertise medicine, option B set standards for drugs, option C manufacture of medicine, option D diagnose disease. Answer क्या है? Option B set standards for drugs. Answer. Explanation. Pharmacopoeia provides official standards to ensure the quality, purity, identity, and strength of medicines. Question number 14. A dosage form is option A only the active drugs, option B the physical form in which a drug is administered, option C only the packaging of medicine, option D the chemical name of a drug. Answer क्या है? Option B the physical form in which a drug is administered. Explanation. A dosage form is a physical form of a medicine such as tablets, capsules, syrup, injection, ointment, etc. Question number 15. Which of the following is a solid dosage form? Syrup, injection, tablet, lotion. Option C is the answer, tablet. क्या है? Tablets are solid unit dosage form containing one or more drugs with a suitable excipient. टैबलेट का डेफिनेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसको याद रख लेना, ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए लिक्विड डोसेज फॉर्म? कैप्सूल नहीं है, टैबलेट नहीं है, सिरप, ये है आंसर. Explanation. Syrup is a liquid oral dosage form generally containing a concentrated sugar solution with the medicaments. Question number 17. Which is a semi-solid dosage form? Ointment, ये है आंसर. Explanation. Ointments are semi-solid preparation generally intended for external application to the skin or mucous membrane. Ointment. Question number 18. The route of administration of tablet is generally oral, intramuscular, intravenous, subcutaneous. Answer क्या है? Oral. Explanation. Most tablets are administered through the oral route by swallowing, although some special tablet may be sublingual, buccal, etc. Question number 19. Parenteral preparation are administered by माउथ नहीं है, रेक्टम ओनली नहीं है, ऑप्शन डी स्किन ओनली नहीं है. आंसर क्या है? ऑप्शन बी इंजेक्शन. Explanation. Parenteral route means administration by injection bypassing the gastrointestinal tract. Example include IV, IM, SC and ID. Question number 20. The main advantages of dosage form is to make the drug more difficult to use, to provide accurate dose and convenient administration, to increase the toxicity of drugs, to change every drug into liquid form. Answer क्या है? Option number B, to provide accurate dose and convenient administration. Explanation. Dosage form helps in accurate dosing, easy administration, better stability, patient convenience and improved therapeutic effects. Question number 20. Question number 21. The ingredient responsible for therapeutic action is called excipient, active pharmaceutical ingredient, vehicles only, प्रिजर्वेटिव. आंसर क्या है? ऑप्शन नंबर बी एक्टिव फार्मास्यूटिकल इंग्रेडिएंट, जिसको हम शॉर्टकट में क्या बोलते हैं? एपीआई. Explanation. API is the active component of a medicine that produces the intended therapeutic or pharmacological effect. Question number 22. Substances added to assist in formulation are called active drugs, excipient, poison, antidote. Answer क्या है? Excipient. B. Answer. Explanation. Excipient are inactive substances added to assist in manufacturing stability, taste, appearance, or drug delivery. Question number 23. Which of the following is not generally considered an excipient? Binder, coloring agent, active pharmaceutical ingredient, preservative. आंसर क्या है देखते हैं. आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, एक्टिव फार्मास्यूटिकल इंग्रेडिएंट्स. Explanation. APA produces the therapeutic effect, whereas binders, coloring agents, and preservatives are examples of excipient. Question number 24. Dispensing means. Option A. Manufacturing drugs on a large scale, preparing and supplying medicine according to prescription. Option C. Diagnosing a disease, discovering new drugs. Answer क्या है? Option number B. Preparing and supplying medicine according to prescription. Explanation. Dispensing involved interpreting the prescription and preparing, packaging, labeling, and supplying the correct medicine to the patient. Question number 25. The science dealing with dosage form, design and manufacturer is. Answer क्या है? Pharmaceutics. Explanation. Pharmaceutics focuses on the design and development of dosage form and their preparation for safe and effective use. Question number 26. Which dosage form is suitable for drugs having an unpleasant taste? Answer क्या है? Capsule. कैप्सूल में क्या होता है? अनप्लेजेंट टेस्ट होता है. Explanation. Capsules can mask the unpleasant taste and odor of or drugs because the drug is enclosed inside a gelatin. Question number 27. Which of the following is an example of a unit dosage form? बल्क पाउडर नहीं है, माउथ वॉश नहीं है, सिरप इन बोतल नहीं है. आंसर क्या है? टैबलेट. यूनिट डोसेज फॉर्म. Question number 28. Which of the following is a multi-dose liquid preparation? आंसर क्या है? Syrup. Option number C is the answer. Explanation. A bottle of syrup usually contains multiple doses which are measured before administration. Question number 29. The main function of a preservative is to. Option A. Add sweetness. Option B. Prevent microbial growth. Option C. Add color. Option D. Increase tablet size. Answer क्या है? Option B. Prevent microbial growth. Explanation. Preservatives are added to pharmaceutical preparation to prevent or inhibit the growth of microorganisms. Question number 30. A substance used to improve the taste of a pharmaceutical preparation is called. Option A. Flavoring agent. Option B. Binder. Option C. Disinfectant. Option D. Lubricant. आंसर क्या है? आंसर है फ्लेवरिंग. आंसर है फ्लेवरिंग एजेंट. Explanation. Flavoring agents are used to make medicines more palatable and improve patient acceptability. 30. Question number 31. Which excipient is used to give color to a pharmaceutical preparation? Option A. Coloring agent. Option B. Lubricant. Option C. Binder. Option D. Disinfectant. आंसर क्या है? आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, कलरिंग एजेंट. Explanation. Coloring agents improves the appearance and identification of pharmaceutical products. Question number 32. Which dosage form is generally used for application on the skin? आंसर क्या है? Ointment. Question number 33. A sterile preparation intended for administration by injection is called parenteral preparation. बहुत सिंपल. चलो एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं. Parenteral preparations are administered through routes such as IV, IM, subcutaneous and intradermal and most meet strict sterility requirements. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Question number 34. Which of the following routes bypasses the gastrointestinal tract? Oral, intramuscular, buccal, sublingual. Intramuscular is the answer. Explanation. The IM route is a parenteral route and bypasses the gastrointestinal tract. Question number 35. The main purpose of pharmaceutical packaging is to: Option A, increase the drug dose, protect the product, change the therapeutic action. Option D, reduce drug activity. Answer क्या है? Answer है increase the drug dose. Question number 35. Question number 35. The main purpose of pharmaceutical packaging is to increase the drug dose, protect the product, change the therapeutic action, reduce drug purity. आंसर क्या है? ऑप्शन नंबर बी, प्रोटेक्ट द प्रोडक्ट. प्रोडक्ट को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए फार्मास्यूटिकल पैकेजिंग यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द आंसर. चलो एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं. ए फार्मास्यूटिकल लेबल प्रोवाइड्स इंपोर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन सच एज ड्रग नेम, स्ट्रेंथ, डोज, डोसेज, कंडीशन एंड डायरेक्शन फॉर अस. Question number 37. The process of providing instruction and identification on a medicine container is called dispensing, labeling, manufacturing, compounding. Answer क्या है? Option number B, labeling is the answer. Explanation. The explanation. Labeling involves placing necessary information and instruction on the immediate or outer container of a medicine. Question number 38. Question number 38. A preparation made for a specific patient according to prescription is known as: Option A, bulk manufacture. Option B, dispensary preparation. Option C, industrial product. Option D, crude drug. Answer क्या है? Option B, dispensary preparation is the answer. Explanation. A medicine prepared and supplied according to an individual patient prescription is called a dispensary preparation. 39. The process of mixing or preparing medicines according to a prescription is called compounding, packaging, marketing, screening. Answer क्या है? Option number A is the answer, compounding. Compounding क्या है? Compounding means preparing a pharmaceutical product by combining, mixing or altering ingredient according to a prescription or formula. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट डेफिनेशन है, इसको याद रख लेना. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 40. Which of the following is not a route of drug administration? Option A, oral. Option B, parenteral. Option C, topical. Option D, packaging. तो आंसर है पैकेजिंग. Explanation. Packaging is used to protect and contain the medicine. It is not a route of administration. Question number 41. The dosage form administered under the tongue is called buccal, sublingual, oral, rectal. Answer क्या है? Option B, sublingual. Option B is the answer. Explanation. Sublingual administration means placing the medicine under the tongue for absorption. Question number 42. The dosage form placed between the cheek and gum is administered by the buccal route, sublingual route, oral route, intramuscular route. आंसर क्या है? आंसर है buccal route. Explanation. In the buccal route, the medicine is placed between the cheek and gum for absorption through the buccal mucosa. Question number 43. A medicine administered through the rectum is commonly called: Option A, suppository. Option B, tablet. Option C, capsule. Option D, elixir. आंसर क्या है? ऑप्शन ए, सपोजिटोरी. ए इज द आंसर. Explanation. A suppositor is a dosage form inserted into the rectum where it may softens or dissolves. Question number 44. Which dosage form is specifically designed for administration into the eye? Option A is the answer, ophthalmic preparation. Explanation. Ophthalmic preparations such as eye drops and eye ointments are intended for use in the eyes. Question number 45. Otic preparation are intended for administration into the eye, ear, nose, mouth. Answer क्या है? Ear. Option B is the answer. Explanation. Otic preparations are medicine designed for administration into the ear. Question number 46. Nasal preparations are administered through the skin. नहीं. Nose is the answer. Option B is the answer. Nose. Question number 47. The route used for directly application of a drug to the skin. Answer क्या है? Topical. Topical is the answer. Explanation. Topical administration means applying a medicine directly to the skin or another body surface for local effects. Question number 48. Which is an advantages of a liquid dosage form? Always more stable than tablets. ये नहीं है. Easier to swallow for many patient. ये हो सकता है. Never requires preservatives. ये बिल्कुल नहीं है. Always provides a fixed dose. Answer क्या है? Answer B is the answer. Explanation देखते हैं. Liquid dosage forms are more often easier for children, elderly patients, and patients with difficulty swallowing. Question number 49. The branch of pharmacy concerned with the preparation of medicine into suitable dosage form is? Obviously, option number A is pharmaceutics. Explanation. Pharmaceutics deals with converting an active drug into a safe, stable, effective, and acceptable dosage forms. Question number 50. The primary objective of pharmaceutics is to diagnose disease. ये नहीं है. Option number B is the answer. Design safe and effective dosage forms. Explanation. The main goal of pharmaceutics is to develop dosage forms that ensure the drug is safe, stable, effective, convenient, and acceptable to the patient.